Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to get ads on Candy Crush Saga to unlock free boosters and extra lives. First, the higher your level, the more likely you are to see ads. Ads show up more often as you progress through the game, so if you're still in lower levels, keep playing to unlock more opportunities for extra lives and boosters. Playing consistently also helps. The game tends to show ads more often to active players, so if you play regularly, you'll get more chances to grab ad-based perks when you need them. Make sure your game is fully updated. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for Candy Crush Saga, and install any available updates. Running the latest version ensures you don't miss any ad features. Ads only show up when you're online. If you're playing offline, that's why you might not see them, so stay connected to the internet. You'll often see ads pop up when you're out of lives or boosters. Keep an eye out for these prompts to watch an ad and get extra resources when you need them most. And that's all it takes to get ads on Candy Crush Saga and unlock free boosters. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more tips.